Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy, friends. I hope you all are doing well. Here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the recruitment notifications, more specifically all the engineering recruitment notifications, be it central government recruitment notifications, state government or any other public sector undertaking organizations. So friends, today we are going to discuss Western Coalfield Limited recruitment notification. This recruitment notification is published from Western Coalfield Limited, and Western Coalfield Limited is going to recruit graduate and technician apprentices. A number of vacancy in graduate apprenticeship is around 100, and in technician category number of vacancies around 200. So one of the most important thing of this recruitment notification is, friends, it is clearly mentioned that AMI degree holders also can eligible, and about the recognition of AMI, it was not mentioned like after 31st May 2013 the students who have been enrolled, they will not be eligible. It is not mentioned here. So friends, let's discuss the recruitment notification in detail, and what are the other eligibility criteria, how could you apply, all the things will be discussed in detail. So friends, if you look at the first post, that is graduate apprenticeship, number of vacancies 101, and educational qualification is required, friends, full-time degree course, that could be BE, BTech or AMI in mining engineering from recognized institute, and consolidated pay will be provided rupees 9,000 per month. If you look at the second post, friends, technician apprenticeship, number of vacancies 202, and educational qualifications, friends, full-time diploma in mining or mining and mine survey from recognized institute, and you have to enroll as a NATS, at NATS portal you have to enroll. And if you look at the consolidated pay for technician apprentice, consolidated pay rupees 8,000 will be provided. And friends, now about application, how could we apply, and some points or some eligibility criteria are mentioned, like who have passed qualifying examination before 13th June 2017 will not be eligible for those posts. That means if you have done your bachelor degree or diploma prior to June 2016, you will not be eligible for those posts. And friends, moreover, it is also mentioned that who have had undertaken any previous training as a part of the apprenticeship program also will not be eligible, as well as who have undergone presently apprenticeship training at any establishment, they also are not eligible, as well as who are in the employment elsewhere, that means who is working as a government employee, they are also not eligible. That means freshers who have passed after 2017, June 2017 only can apply for those posts. So if you look at the and some more points are there, friends, who is undergoing any regular course of study, a regular candidate from any educational institute, like after your diploma, if you are presently pursuing your bachelor degree from some institution, so at this point of time you cannot apply, right? So and friends, the last point is who have been providing with 1 year's practical training after completing qualifying examination, that is degree, diploma, are also not eligible. So now friends, about application, this is the website of Western Coalfield. The link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link you can apply. And friends, the application procedure has not yet started. It will start from 5th May 2020 and it will continue till 19th May 2020. That means about 2 weeks you will get. And friends, about the other informations, you have no need to send the printout copy to any address. That means only you have to apply online, that's all. And I already have told that online application procedure will start from 5th May 2020 and it will continue till 19th May 2020. And this PDF copy of advertisement, friends, I have provided in the description box of this video also. And if you would like to download this copy, by following the link you can also download. If you are having any queries, if you have any doubt or question, please let us know. Please comment in the comment box below. Thanks for watching as always. If you would like to get this kind of video regularly, please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon.